you don't deserve, because that was the only life you knew then. But do you know that right now, would you deserve everything? You don't put yourself last right now.
Yeah.
You are a priority, right?
You know, I had to grow that within me.
Okay.
Me, and I should say, I meaning is parenting is that parents I love. Yonke leyo nto le ngiyazi-inspirisha, you know, ngiyashayeka bese ngiyazibuyisa mina ngizithulisa ukuthi hey, yabona ndoda, hey, need to go up. It's like nje ukuthi angigcinanga ngigcwele estradini or uthola ukuthi uyaboshwa ama-drugs and all that. Bengithanda isikole, so I think education helped me a lot in my life.
I need to know this. Kunalento ukuthi other people go to people. Who do you go to besides you? Talking to yourself. Who do you become? You become vulnerable kuye, because there's no. I believe umuntu ngabantu.
Like for instance, like mina umndeni wami abantu besifazane yabo. Like sengiyasho ukuthi I have 2 sisters. Badala, as much as bedala noma wami, but abantu besifazane laba inkinga enginazo njengomuntu wesilisa ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi yabo. And besides, like ezinye izinto yabona ukuthi these people they are unable to help yabo. So I need to find a way, sacrifice njengomjida. Yabo ngikhuliswe nje istrada ama-favor ama-strangers. Mina life yami ngihlangana nomuntu genuinely I think ngine-ore right.
Yes.
Attract abantu aba-right yabo.
Yeah.
So luckily nje I think mfethu ngomusa kaNkulunkulu bengivele ngithola umuntu avela athi hey, you know, it's really have the potential in this thing. And then yabo bangisize noma